Richard Hart. The name itself evokes a sense of intrigue, dividing opinions in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. A flamboyant entrepreneur with a penchant for luxury, Hart has cultivated an image as audacious as his projects. His most notable creation, Hex, burst onto the scene with a promise to be a high-interest savings instrument for the digital age. It quickly garnered a devoted following, drawn to its unconventional tokenomics and Hart's bold pronouncements. But Hart's ambitions didn't stop there. He unveiled PulseChain, a blockchain aiming to offer faster and cheaper transactions than Ethereum, further solidifying his image as a disruptor. Adding to this growing ecosystem was PulseX, a decentralized exchange envisioned to become the central trading hub for the PulseChain network. Hart's projects, though innovative, attracted scrutiny from regulators, particularly the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This set the stage for a legal battle that would reverberate throughout the cryptosphere. In July 2023, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Richard Hart. The agency claimed that Hart had raised over $1 billion through unregistered securities offerings. At the heart of their argument was the classification of Hex, PulseChain, and PulseX. The SEC contended that these projects constituted securities, not merely cryptocurrencies, and should have been registered as such. Furthermore, the SEC alleged that Hart had misappropriated investor funds. They pointed to his extravagant lifestyle, which included the purchase of the famed Enigma black diamond, as evidence of wrongdoing. Hart, never one to shy away from confrontation, vehemently denied these accusations. He asserted that his projects were innovative technologies and that the SEC's actions were an overreach of their authority. The stage was set for a protracted legal battle. The crypto community watched with bated breath as the legal battle between Richard Hart and the SEC unfolded. The case seemed to epitomize the ongoing struggle between the traditional financial world and the decentralized ethos of cryptocurrency. However, the narrative took a dramatic turn on February 28, 2025. U.S. District Judge Carol Bagley Amon delivered a stunning blow to the SEC, dismissing the case due to lack of jurisdiction. Judge Amon ruled that Hart's activities were not clearly targeted at U.S. investors. This decision, a significant setback for the SEC, sent shockwaves through the crypto community. Hart had secured a crucial victory, reinforcing his image as a defiant figure who had challenged a powerful institution. The dismissal of the SEC's case against Richard Hart sent ripples throughout the cryptocurrency world. For his supporters, it was a resounding validation of his vision. CHEX's price surged nearly 80% following the news, reflecting renewed investor confidence. The case also set a precedent, potentially emboldening other crypto projects facing regulatory scrutiny. However, Hart's legal battles are far from over. He still faces charges in Europe, with Finland issuing a red notice for his arrest related to tax fraud and assault. The outcome of these legal proceedings remains uncertain, casting a shadow over Hart's future. Despite the ongoing legal challenges, Richard Hart's victory against the SEC marks a pivotal moment in the history of cryptocurrency regulation. It underscores the complexities of applying traditional financial regulations to this nascent and rapidly evolving technology. The world watches as this controversial figure continues to navigate the turbulent waters of the crypto world.